You'll find all our enclosed shoes come with a full-length footbed which suits the standard fit. The footbed has contouring to support your arch, cradle your heel and cushion your forefoot. If they feel snug but not too tight, you're good to go. When trying on your FRANKiE4 shoes and they're feeling a little loose or they're slipping at the back of your heel, slide a forefoot cushion into the front of the shoe, followed by a full-length footbed. This clever cushion will help secure your foot and provide a nice snug fit. If they feel snug but not too tight, you're good to go. Once you're happy that the narrow fit is right for you, you can secure your forefoot cushion in place by attaching it to the underside of your full-length footbed. If you have a wider foot and the shoes feel a bit tight but the length is right, try our half-length footbed. This footbed offers the same arch and heel support as our full-length footbed, while allowing some extra breathing room in the forefoot area. If they feel snug but not too tight, you're good to go. If the half-length footbed is still feeling tight, remove it and try on the shoe with no footbed at all. Don't worry about compromising on comfort, as there's still cushioning in the sole of the shoe to support you.